All right, we are solving exponential equations. We're at the third level here. So the strategy is pretty much the same. You're trying to get the base and the exponent by itself, so we move everything over to the other side first. So let's rewrite the problem. 33 equals 5,230 times, trying to get 0.95 by itself to the x, and then it's a minus 217. All right, so we're reversing the order of operations. So if I divided by the 5,230, I have to do that to the whole side. So I need to get rid of this plus 217 to both sides. Let's not take any chances. 3 plus 217, 550. So I now got 550 equals 5230.95. All that's to the x. All right, then divide. Now I divide by that 5230. Divide by 5230. All right, so 550 divided by 5230. Is that ugly? Yes, it is. So I'll go ahead and leave it like this for now. So I now got 550 divided by 5230 equals 0.95 to the x. And I like their trick that they've been using. Just do log of both sides. So I'll just change colors on this so I don't have to rewrite all that. It's log of this side, base 10. Log of this side. Okay, and then remember, exponents move out front. So this now becomes log base 10, or common log of 550 over 5230 equals x log base 10 of 0.95, and then divide by log of 0.95 to both sides. Divide by log 0.95. All right. Let's go ahead, and I want to use the Desmos calculator just so you can kind of see on your side. I'm trying to calculate all of this, what the steps are we would use to do that. Oh, it's just not going along with me. All right. Yeah, I'm going to jump back and forth, so sorry if it gets a little mind-bending. Desmos, but it's important for you to see how the calculator works. Okay, bottom of Desmos.com is the scientific calculator. So the first thing I'm going to do is 550 divided by 5230. 550 divided by 5230. All right, so there's that number. All right, so I would say enter. Now that's now my answer right there. All right, so I'm going to do log of that answer. Log base 10 of that answer. Okay, and I'll say enter. Now that is stored as my answer. Then I'm dividing all of that by log of 0.95. So answer divided by log of 0.95. So that's the strategy to deal with here, is that you have to do it in stages, the order of operations. You would do this stage first, then the top of the fraction, and then do it all together. So you have to keep that number floating around, 43.909. Now they just want to the, oh gee, come on, ... All right. They just went to the nearest tenth, solve for x. So here's the 10th spot right there. I look at that number. That means rounded to the nearest tenth. This is 43.9 on this one. 43.9. All right, so there's several stages you have to do here, but I think the hardest part is probably dealing with the calculator, making sure that you don't lose that decimal as you deal with it. All right, so what are their steps? Yes, be really careful right here. They act like they're rounding. They're not rounding. It has to go on forever. Loggable sides, I like that trick. That's a lot better than what I was doing, changing the base, doing it the hard way. 43.9, ding, ding, ding. All right. Next problem is probably going to be, yep. So you would divide by 2,600 from both sides, move that out in front, and just kind of do the reverse operations. Same style.